How does banning work in Marvel Rivals? I'm going to tell you how hero banning works in Marvel Rivals because understanding this system is crucial for competitive play. In ranked matches at Gold 3 and above, each team participates in a ban phase before the match starts. Each player votes for a hero they'd like to ban. The system uses a probability based approach. The more votes a hero receives, the higher the chance they'll be banned. For example, if 4 players vote to ban Iron Man and 1 votes to ban Thor, Iron Man has an 80% of being banned, while Thor has a 20% chance. Each team can ban up to 2 heroes. If both teams ban the same hero, that hero is removed from the play, and the total number of banned heroes decreases accordingly. This system encourages strategic planning and adaptability, ensuring diverse gameplay and team compositions.